Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to play with all teams in eFootball 2024. Now from the main menu, just click on the extras at the top right of your screen. And here, just click on the training. Now click on the free training option and then select the practice match. Okay, that's right. And then when you open up the game, just tap on the pause button at the top right of your screen and select the home button at the bottom of your screen. And then from here, you'll be able to choose the continent and then select the league that you want. So from here, you could be able to see all of the teams and select the teams that you want to play with. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.